Hi, my name is Alias. You're here to learn about few tips about Gmail, which is a part of the series of the Com Talk. We are going to learn about how to use canned messages. What's a canned messages? Like in Gmail in old days, some of the things you do again and again. For example, you want to write 10 emails to 10 clients, so send them their invoices, and now you need to write that as quickly as possible. So in old days, we just write the email of a person, which is I'm going to give my own email just there, and then you write okay, invoice number, whatever. In this case, I just put invoice there, and then you write dear sir, madam, blah blah blah. Instead of doing that, why don't we just use the scan messages which come from here, and you just do click this option. I'll explain all that how it came here, but firstly you see the end result. You got the whole thing written for you, your message, your signature, everything, and then all you have to do is attachment, which is right there, and you send the message. So look at how much time you save. And also the quality assurance is all people get the same way the message is. You learn how to write a generic message, you don't have to change much, and it suits all. Now we look at back how we get here, how to get this message stored and written by itself. We pause a bit here and go back. Okay, we start from the start now, where we write an email, and if you look at there where we saw there's no canned messages here. Let's see how do we enable that canned message. Close this one, and we go settings, where we change all the settings, and over there we see a labs icon there. This is a label. In labs you need to enable canned responses right there. You just click on enable. There's a lot of other good stuff which we'll cover in other videos, but today we're just focusing canned messages. We enable this and we go down there and save changes. It's automatically restart your email client, or email program, or Gmail to get those things affected. Now how do we add canned messages? Still canned messages there. They say you can create a new response. Don't need to click here now. Firstly, we need to write the canned message first time, which I already written here to save the time of the video. I just copy this, I paste it here. Whatever the message you want to saved in a canned message, you can put that message in an empty new message. After that, you also need a name, which I written there as well to keep the name consistent with the video. Now I'm going to save this canned message, and I say new canned message. It's gonna ask me what is the name. Give a appropriate name so you can remember it. So let's okay. Now it's saved in the canned message list. You can delete this message now, you don't need it because canned message already saved your thing. I'm going to compose new message. This one is the I'm going to send an invoice to somebody. So all you have to do, write the email of the person, and then you write an invoice, write whatever the number you want to give, and after that you just go there, canned messages. Now you see there's a new canned message stored there, which we stored earlier. It typed the whole thing for you, you attach thing, and wait to go, and you send it anyway. It'll start sending your attachment. So I send myself for the testing purpose. I hope you enjoy something. It will make you more productive, in your email, especially if you do a lot of repetitive tasks. And it's also create a quality assurance because all the customers get the same message, especially if you send bank details or you send something particular instructions about particular thing, or you want to give auto response. You can actually do auto response. We will cover in another video. Thank you very much for watching, and see another video how to auto respond emails. Thank you.